All right, y'all, let's start putting together this rain boot slash, I don't know, I think of it like a Mother's Day or something. So we already made the base, and so what I have so much stuff that I want to try to stuff into this wreath. This is going to be a challenge, but I have this sign. So the three main things that I want to put in this is the sign. I already have a water hose. This water hose came from the dollar store last summer, and I have gotten so many projects out of it. This is part of it hanging behind me, and I have just cut it up and used loops and loops for, you know, different projects. So where it is cut, see the end is not very pretty. You will get a cut out of it, you know, with the pretty ends that you could leave exposed for a project. So that would be cute to leave that. But since I don't really have that here, I have two ugly cut ends. All I did was, after I made this base, I just wrapped this in here and opened the ties and just put it in between them, and then, you know, just laid it how I wanted it to lay. So I thought it was like, I wanted it to look more of like a lasso. Like, see how this is longer? This is a little bit shorter. I didn't want it in there just both loops on top of each other, if that makes sense. I might end up adjusting those, but I'm not sure. We'll see when we get to the end. But I just layered it in there like a garland. So I thought it would be cute, a little cute accent, because, you know, you think of rain boots, gardening tools, you think of all the things like that, you know? And that's what I have. I even have some little mini umbrellas that I got off of Amazon. They're so cute. They're the perfect size to use in this project. And they come in like 5 different colors. I'll show you when we get there. It's so cute. But what I'm gonna do, since I know I'm gonna put the rain boots in there, I want a sign and I want a big bow in there. I'm gonna go ahead and make my bow so I can have it, so I can kind of decide where I want to place these things. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. just make sure the flowers that are on the pics, before you take your pictures and advertise it for sale, make sure those are good and fluffed up. You could do that before you actually put them in there too, but sometimes, most of the time, I just wait until I'm done getting everything crammed in there and then I'll fluff it. All right, we got one last little piece. I'll go up here. And I think we're done, guys. Thanks for hanging with me. This is new for me as well. I hope it inspired you, and everything seems to be anchored in really well. All the big chunky pieces, and that's all that matters. So thank you for being a part of the crew, and let me know if you have any questions. See you later.